man, I got another banger. I finally got the GF2P down to the range, and y'all know what time it is, man. This is the 99 buck shotgun, man. $100 for a shotgun. Either I got the best deal on the internet, or I'm about to blow my damn shoulder out at the range. Let's go ahead and find. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, like I said, for 99 bucks, this thing did work straight out the box. I had no issues, no malfunctions. I used Winchester, USA Valor Series. It was a limited edition, but I did find this on PSA for a reasonable price. Let me know, do you own this shotgun? Did you take it down to the range? What was your problems? Did you have issues? Because I've seen a lot of mixed reviews, and I'm not a big fan of going off other reviews. I don't knock it till I try it. So the fact that I tried it, yeah. If you was to ask me, would this go in my home defense arsenal? Yes, it will. Because right now, I do have this as my home defense weapon. My 10.5 inch ARP. There's nothing in the chamber. Couple profile, so you can see nothing inside. It is empty. But yes, this is my home defense weapon. But this probably just made it into the lineup. I wouldn't even lie to you. The grip on it felt good. The recoil on it, it wasn't too bad, but it was noticeable. But I was able to fire 25 rounds instantly straight out the box with no issues.